What's up? What's up? What's up? Of course, it's me, your boy Richie Rich at Consumer Appliance Support. Man, you already know we review appliances. Today we're going to focus on a 1000 watt low profile microwave hood combination made by KitchenAid. Alright, so I do notice not a lot of people have these low profile microwaves, but I do see them around a couple times. I have worked on one or two, not a lot, but I'm sure eventually in the future I'm going to start to see them a lot more because of the uniqueness of them. They fit a specific space. They also create more of a distance as far as in comparison to the stove and your microwave. It gives you more space because it's a low profile. But this is just an intro to the appliance that we're going to work on. You already know, man, we're going to dissect this appliance and break it down, talk about the function and features, talk about the parts, talk about the price, how much, and talk about the warranty, and give you our overall grade and what we think of this particular appliance. All right, so a couple things that we can talk about. Again, it's low profile design. Again, creating more space in between the range that you sit and your microwave. Because with the new microwave, they're a little bit longer than your standard microwave nowadays, so sometimes that takes away from the space, so you're only able to use a certain size pot. And of course the microwave and the stove is a lot closer, so that can have an effect on it as well. It can cause your microwave to overheat. It can cause you to use smaller pots where you're not cooking as much, especially if you have a big family, stuff like that. It also has a 4-speed fan control. Alright, so that's one of the things. It still has an exhaust fan motor that you're able to circulate the air. It has a 500 CFM Motor Class for dual ventilation system, so it does the same thing like your microwave or a range hood, but it's not as microwaves and the low profile microwave and any other microwave is not like a range hood. So if you're looking for like an exhaust vent, it's best to get that, because when you're dealing with the microwave, the primary functions of the microwave is to microwave, but you do have that option. All right, so you do have the dual ventilation system, you do have the 4 fan speed control. Also, it has the 2 LED task lights with night light setting. All right, so you're still getting a lot of the same features that you will get with your traditional microwave. It's just low profile and it's a little bit smaller. You do have a couple additional features that you can look at. Hidden microwave controls make it easier to choose cooking settings when opening the microwave to place food inside. You have exterior quick access buttons. It says located on the front of the microwave, make it easy to use key functions. We talked about the 1000 watt cooking power. It also has a 1.1 cubic feet capacity. It has sensor cooking as well, as far as the sensor cooking functions, including microwaves, reheat, soften, melt, defrost. A humidity sensor monitors cooking process and automatically adjusts cook time as needed. It has a 90-degree hinge, and it also has a 12-inch recessed turntable. It says maximizing height inside the microwave to accommodate a variety of cookware from mixing bowls to covered baking dishes. Alright, so again, we're going to go into the lab, dissect this appliance, man. You already know what our motto is, man. You help me, I help you, we both help each other. Till next time, I'm out of here. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, and I'm out. Peace.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, gonna tell